Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Cami Ewalt. Today I want to do just a super quick tutorial and show you guys how to take this bear head that I got from CJ's Country Creation on Etsy and change some of the details here. I'm doing a purple and white buffalo check tumbler and I wanted something kind of cutesy to go on it. My sister chose the bear head, and the image that I found from CJ's Country Creation did come with it already pink like this. I've seen some other ones where the whole thing's dark, but I just wanted to show you guys that you're not absolutely stuck with that if you wanted to give it your own personal flair. So if you're here for a tutorial like that, let's get into it. So this is going to be super easy and is definitely more geared towards kind of a beginner silhouette users. All right, so I got this file on Etsy from CJ's Country Creation and it came just like this. It did come ungrouped, but I went ahead and grouped it because I wanted to show you guys step by step if you bring it in from another program. So this is all grouped together. We're going to right click, ungroup, and that's going to make the bandana and the glasses and the bear all three separate pieces. I got this buffalo check seamless pattern from Creative Fabrica, so definitely check them out, you guys. They have all kinds of stuff, like tons of patterns and backgrounds and fonts. You definitely won't go wrong. And for my viewers, they're offering $1 for your first month membership, and that gives you access to the entire website. So seriously, you guys, at least click on it and check it out. I'll leave a link in the description. So we're going to take this bandana bow part, and I'm going to hold the shift key and click on the sunglasses. That allows me to click them both. And then I'm going to go ahead and group these. So right click and group. And then I'm going to pull these over. Whoops. Got to bring these to the front. So I'm going to bring these over and I'm going to size it. Maybe I'll bring this back seamless pattern down. I want the buffalo check to be kind of small so that you can see all parts of the buffalo check. Like if they're larger, you might not get what the pattern is supposed to be. So I think that's all right. And let me bring this up here a little bit so you guys can see what we're working with. All right, so I just kind of look and I'm trying to make sure the tips of all of the parts are in a color, not white. So it doesn't look like I just missed part of it. And so it's grouped together, these two are. And then I've got the seamless pattern in the back. I'm going to left click, drag over them. And then I'm going to come over here to this, it's called the modify panel. So I'm going to open the modify panel and I'm going to come up here to crop, and that just cropped out just those parts. This bow did crop out in separate pieces because there was no overlapping areas to tie them together. So you can just, like I just did, left click, drag over them and then group them together. So that's now all just one piece. This is all just one piece because it all had areas that were touching something in the pattern. So that is that simple, you guys. I told you it was super simple. So I am going to actually left click, drag over these so I can bring them back over. Let me get in here so you guys can see what I'm doing. Bring them back over and situate them back where they were. And you can use your arrow keys to kind of nudge it back and forth wherever you need it to be, over right about there. So that would be super simple as it is. I'm going to go ahead and ungroup these because I want to show you a couple more things. So on this bow, it looks okay, but I'd like it to kind of pop and definitely want to make sure that we seal up any of the white parts. So there's no line going around there as of right now. So I'm going to come up here and click the down arrow here, and I'm going to make the line the same color as the darkest color in the pattern. So I'm just going to click on this eyedropper that's going to allow you to take a sample of the color, and I'm going to come over here and just go to the darkest color on the pattern, and then I'm going to click that. I don't know if you guys just saw that. It allowed it to put a line work in, or an outline if you will, around the entire bow, and it's the same color, so it all kind of matches. And I think it just helps it to kind of stand out from, I'm going to be putting it on a white bleach spot on the cup. So although this is cute, I think it's still going to make that mama bear a little too hard to read when I get it on the bleach spot on the cup. So I'm going to click on these sunglasses. I'm going to come up here where we would normally change the line. Nope, I'm going to come up here to the fill color panel, hit the drop down arrow, and then I'm going to come over here to that same eyedropper. And just like we did with the line work on the bow, we're going to come down here, and I think I want to go the same dark purple as I did for the line work on the bow. So I'm going to click on that and see how it just kind of ties everything in. I just think it makes it look super, super cute. It's truly that easy, you guys. So definitely don't shy away from a design or an image that you find on like Etsy or somewhere just because you're not fond of the colors that come with it, because you could definitely change those. So I hope this was helpful. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. I've got some super, super cute tutorials coming out, including this one that includes the buffalo check cup that's going under this image. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I definitely enjoyed making it for you. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.